This next activity is an extension of the sorting activity of animal and plant. So you start with objects, and then you can move to the picture cards. Then the next presentation could be an extension of that, followed by the graphing activity that we did with the carrots. So one of the things that we learned when we did our graphing activity is that all plants need water and they need sunlight. Correct? There's some other needs that living organisms have. They all need water. If they're going to live, they need moisture. How they get moisture is different. They all need shelter of some kind. They need to be protected. All living things need space. Here's one of the things that happens to the carrot when it doesn't have enough space. Perhaps maybe there was a root or a rock or something in the dirt that was blocking the carrot from growing the way we usually see it. And all living things also need food. Now, not all animals and plants require the same type of food. The food that a plant gets, it makes from the water and the sunshine that it receives. Does a cheetah need food? Yes. Does it need water? Yes. Does it need to be sheltered? Yes. Does it need space? Yes. Is that true also for a frog? Yes. Is that also true for a grasshopper? Yes, it is. So all living things have these particular needs.